Standard 1 Subject EVS. Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today in this video we will learn one interesting topic. Our topic is our need, exercise, sleep and rest. Introduction. Now children, look at the picture very carefully and see what the boys are doing. Yes, you can see in the picture the boy is lifting the weight. Another boy is doing some workout and one more boy is lifting the weight. So children, these all things means exercise. They are doing exercise. Now look at this picture. This picture, you are also when you are playing the game, especially the bat and ball. When you play cricket, you use bat and ball. So, these pictures show you the picture of playing cricket game. Okay. See this picture. Here you can see the boys are playing football. As you all can see, there is a football and this game is played with the help of football. They can kick the ball and reach to the goal. Then they get the points. So, this is a football. Playing football. Now look at this picture. You have visited this place so many times. Yes, this is a picture of a park where you can go and play the games. You can see in all picture the children are playing different games. They are making the groups and they are playing or enjoying the games. Each and every child is busy playing the game. Children, when you all also go to the park or garden, you also enjoy playing the games. Yes or no? Need for exercise. Now children, let's see why there is a need for exercise. First point, exercise keeps our body fit, active and healthy. Now children, as you all know, when we do exercise, our body gets fit. We feel very active and also healthy. Next point, we should do exercise in open. Means you all can come out and you can do the exercise in open place. You can do it in the garden, you can do it in the open space where you can have open room or something like there should be open space, I mean to say. Next point, even playing in the open is exercise. Now children, so many times you come outside of your house and you play. That is also one kind of exercise. Next one, exercise makes you hungry. Now children, as you all know, when you do lot of activities, when you do lot of exercise, when you play, that time you feel hungry. Okay, so exercise makes us hungry. Need for sleep. Now let's see, children, why there is a need for sleep. Sleep is the best form of rest. Now everybody know we get up in the morning and we go to bed at night. When we sleep, we get rest, and it is one best kind of rest. The sleep is the best kind of rest. Children should sleep 10 hours every day. Now children, you all are very active. You all are playing, jumping, dancing, so many things you are doing. So you all need rest. You all need sleep at least 10 hours every day. Sleep rest the tired body. Children, when you all sleep, your body is tired after doing lot of hard work in the daytime. When you sleep, your body gets lots of rest, and it again energize, or it's get again recharge, like the mobile phone. When we have battery less, we put the phone for charging, then after some time we get the full charge. Same way, when you all sleep, your body gets again refresh and your body gets rest. Need for rest. Now it is, we must rest after a day's work and after games. Now children, you all are busy. You all are playing games. You're doing your work. You're writing your homework, assignments, so many things you're doing. So after your work and after playing the games, you should have little rest. Then rest rebuilds our mind and body. Now, as you all know, when we take rest, our mind and body gets fresh, refresh, and we are ready for work again. Rebuilds means the energy, whatever is being used, it's again comes. Okay, so it comes again, then you are again ready for the work. Okay, let's see next. Points to remember. Now children, as you all have seen, there is a time for rest, sleep. All these things you should follow very properly. Let's see our first point. Exercise keeps our body fit, active and healthy. Now children, if anybody asks you, why do you exercise? What is the benefit? You should say, my body gets fit, active and healthy. Next one, sleep gives rest to our tired body. Now children, as you all know, when we sleep, we get little rest and our body is tired after the work. So it also gets rest. Rest rebuilds our mind and body. As I told you, you all feel good when you have rest for some time. Your mind and body gets refreshed or relaxed. Okay. So these points you should remember. Let's see your homework. What is your homework? Question answers. Okay. Let's see the first one. Answer the following. First one, what does exercise do to our body? The answer is, exercise makes our body fit, active active and healthy. Next one. Why do we need rest? Answer is we need rest to rebuild our mind and body. True or false? First one, we must sleep 8 hours every day. Answer is true. Now children, when I said I have mentioned that you all are children, you need little extra sleep because you are extra active. Okay, so all other human being needs 8 hours of sleep. Okay. Second one, before going to bed, we must not brush our teeth. The answer is false. We should brush our teeth before going to bed. Next one, we must say our prayers before we go to sleep. The answer is true. We should every day pray to God. Activity. Let's see the activity. Fill in the blanks. First one, we feel dash after a day's hard work. Answer is tired. We feel tired after a day's hard work. Second one, playing games is also exercise. Playing games is also exercise. Third one, exercise keeps us dash and active. Exercise keeps us healthy and thank you students. I hope so. You all have understood the lesson.